You will need a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, some food coloring, plastic wrap, a stone, a big bowl, and a small bowl. Ready? Pour the water into the big bowl. Add salt and the food coloring. Stir it up so it all dissolves. Put the small bowl into the large one and cover it tightly with plastic wrap. Now, place a stone in the middle. The stone should make a small dip in the wrap. Find a sunny spot and put the bowl there for a few hours. This is also a good exercise in patience. Good science takes time. After a few hours, observe what has happened. The color water evaporated and condensed on the cling film. Then it dripped down into the small bowl. No salt and no color, clear water safe for drinking.